Hey guys, this is PIKIV 7P Plus. It's an AI magic box. It's actually a TV box with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0. You can support up to 4K with HDR, and it's AI powered. 64 GB of ROM. This is the branding of PIKIV on top. This is PIKIV as well. And when we look behind, this is the description and the specs of this. So the CPU is powered by M-Logic S905, and GPU is G31 MP2 GPU processor. It comes with 4 GB of RAM, LPDDR. ROM is 64 GB eMMC. It supports English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, and many more. So in here you get to see there's a product manual. We have both Chinese and English. It's heavier than a normal TV box. I've reviewed so many. This is so far one of the tiniest but also heavy at the same time. It comes with this PIKIV logo. The front is plain, there's nothing there. It's very clean. It comes with this TF card slot for you to expand your storage. 2 USB 3 slot for you to put in your hard disk or your thumb drive to expand your storage, or to put your mouse or your keyboard or whatever other accessories that you have. USB-C slot for you to put in your USB-C cable to power this up. And this is a network cable slot for you to put in your LAN cable so that you can have a much stable connection. And this is the HDMI slot for you to put in your HDMI cable to connect to your TV or your monitor. And this is a SPDIF slot for you to connect your optical cable so that you can use this to connect to your legacy home theater systems or your older home theater systems. And this is a AV slot to connect your wired headphones. For you to connect to your 3-pin plug. This is for you to connect to your USB cable. This is the USB-C cable. This is the HDMI cable. This is a remote control, metallic silver. Very nice. It's powered by 2 AAA battery. The power button. For these 4 buttons here is for you to learn your TV remote control buttons. You can use it for starting a TV and change the volume, as well as changing the input. This is the voice recognition button. You can press here and then you can talk to the TV box and ask it to search for movies or TV series or different channels for you. And this is obviously the volume button, higher volume, lower volume. Then this is the navigation button, up, right, down, and left. Then middle will be the enter button, also the OK button. So this is home, this is back, and this is menu. Then you can also fast forward. I don't really see this much in other TV boxes. There's a fast forward button, which is cool. There's a mute button for you to stop all the sound from the TV box. And you have some numeric buttons here for you to change channel easily. And there's a mouse button here so that you can use it as a mouse. This is to open all the apps, a shortcut button, and you have a shortcut button for YouTube as well, and 4 more extra buttons for you to put your own shortcuts. For example, you have a Netflix app, you can put on the right side, and whatever else, you can just link it to these buttons. So once you click the on button, this will show. So the first thing to do is to click both the volume plus and volume down. So these two, press together, then you're connected. then you can just point anywhere you want and you can still control the TV box. So it comes with a lot of different language settings. Default is English, but of course you have Chinese for Hong Kong, for Taiwan, or for China, simplified Chinese, Malay, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese, Indonesia, Thailand, Filipino, France, Portuguese, Spain, and Russia. So let's stick to English. Next. And screen scaling, you can scale it by pressing left or right. So you have a big TV, right? Why you want to scale it down? Just put it up to 100, yeah? Okay, then just go next by pressing OK. Then you need to set up the Wi-Fi. I'm done putting the password. Just press this and connect to my Wi-Fi. And connected successfully. All right, then go next. So time settings is default. I won't be changing anything of this. And a disclaimer, 3-second countdown. Just press agree. And there you go. This is how the main menu looks like, yeah? So it's all preloaded with a YouTube app, a Google Play app, a Netflix app, yep, and also a Google for you to search for your website. So this is the setting, which is good, yep. So you can see all your settings here, and this is your folder app. Browse for your files, yeah, your music, your videos, and so on. And of course, under here, you can still add much more. Let's go through what's all this on top here, yeah? So this is the network speed test, okay, where you can click here to check how fast is your internet. Yeah, more than enough. And check this out, this is a clean. Click here, then it will clean the cache for you, and then you have a faster TV box to run. And this is store. Yep, you have Emote and Store or Google Play Store. And this is auto start for you to start whichever app you want first. Once you start your TV box, for example, you want Netflix to start first, then you just enable this. Yep. Okay. Then this is a quick start. This is for you to put your shortcut, yeah? Say for example, you have this here, right? The red one, the red color. Okay, you can always set it to Netflix. See that? Then you have Netflix over there. So when you click on this red button here, Netflix will come out. Yep. So I'm going to click on the red button. And there you go. Netflix will come out. Yep. So next would be Bluetooth. So now it's already connected to the remote control. So you can also pair it with your wireless headphone, game controllers, and whatnot, yeah? This is the network. I've already set it connected to my Wi-Fi. This is customer service. So if you have any problems, just look for them. And there's more. Yep. So this is a file manager for you to search for your files. You can choose to use the file browser, of course. So just set it to always. Okay. Then you have language settings, which you can still change after the setup. And this is the display settings for you to scale the screen. We have already done that during the setup. And this is time and date, also done as well. You have disclaimer, we have read this earlier, version update. So once there's a new version, it will tell you, and then you can download the update. So let's stop wallpaper. I can always change it to an animated wave, which is nice. Let's try and see. Go back again. There you go. See that? The background is moving. Interesting, right? Starry sky background. You see that? Those stars are moving. Those small stars are moving. This is nice. I'll keep this. Okay, then you have settings. This is more towards generic settings for Google's. Let's see if I can change the most important, the display and sound. Yeah, screen resolution. It's already set for 4K for me, so it's okay. Yeah, I just need to make sure that's the case. Yeah, and also the HDMI CEC. Okay, it's all on. Advanced sound settings has PDIF outputs. I can just disable this. I'm not using it. And never use surround sound. I think I'll just use auto. The rest I won't touch it. Yep. So guys, just add your CJoy. Yep. Once it's installed, you can add it here. So this is the main app that you would want to use to watch what's inside. Yep. So once you click in there, this is how it looks like, and you get to see there are suggestions by the TV box, and it will change according to your preference. Yeah. Explanation. So this explanation is more like trailers. Yes, I think this is a trailer for Catch Me If You Can. Once you finish with the trailer, you can just press OK, and then it will goes to the main movie. Yeah, NF. Yeah. Okay, then there's some movies. Then you have dramas. Okay, varieties, animations, or you can call it comics. Contents for kids, contents for documentary, and each of it will have this AI suggest. Yeah, so this is a nice touch, which is the latest, and also trending. Cantonese, anything that Cantonese dialogues will come here. D plus, HMax, then you have ATV, contents for Indians, contents for Malaysian, then you have puppetries, and you also have short drama. So for example, I'm here at the variety, so I click here into it, and I'll get to see multiple categories on the left side. Yeah, then you just need to browse through the categories to see whichever you want: concert or music, or China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Korean, Japan, US. All right. Let's say I want to watch something from Korea, for example, and I can start to play and see how fast it loads. Okay, pretty fast. Let's pause it. Press OK to pause. Then when you press down, you get to see you can select the episodes, total of 8, or you can change the aspect ratio to full, to just fill it up to 4:3 or 16:9. Normally you just use original. Yeah. Then you have this decoding by native, VLC, or EXO. Normally I just leave it as native. Okay, and you have play speed, so you can actually slow down the movie by half, 0.5, or slightly slower, 0.75, or even much faster. Yeah, depending on how fast you want. Then there's some feedbacks. You can tell that this video is soundless, fuzzy image, sound delayed. There's some errors, no title, no subtitles, or you can just contact them, yeah, telling them what's wrong with this video. And audio, I think depending on the content, yeah, this doesn't come with multiple audios. As you can see, there's 4K. You can see there's there's a sign there saying that it's 4K Ultra HD, some is Blu-ray, so this is the clearest. Yeah, then you have subtitles and you have audio, so this is basically everything that you want to see. Yeah, okay, say over here I can actually select my episodes, change my audio as well. Yeah, you can have either here and here, change different audio, and you can have different subtitles as well. Yep, and you can change the subtitle size to the bigger size if you want to. Yep, and you can also change the subtitle color and subtitle typeface or the fonts. Yeah, so say you want to watch something from this actor, Michael Skorsky. You just click on it, and any contents that have this actor will come out. You see this white button here on top? Yeah, there's a mic there, so you just need to talk to it and it will search for you. Say for example, Andy Lau. So anything about Andy Lau will come out. Jackie Chan. Okay, anyone about thing about Jackie will come out. So you can also scan this QR code using your phone. Let's scan this, open it, and you can actually use this to type. Yeah, you can use your phone to type, to search for what you want. For example, Jackie Chan, search, look at that. Yeah, anything about Jackie Chan will come out. So you can use this as your keyboard as well. So let's go to some of the features on top here. There's history, so you can see what you have watched. Yeah, or you can just delete them all so you don't see the histories. Then you can also see your favorites. So far there isn't any, and I can collect. Yeah, click collect, then they will be listed in your favorite later on. So let's see that again on top, and this is my favorite. Yeah, so I can come here again and click here again. There's no yellow color, means it's already gone from my favorite. Yeah, and so do a search here. I think we have come to this screen earlier by talking to the remote control, and this is the settings. You can change your language settings. You can just follow the system, or you can just change it to Chinese or English. And speech language settings, you can always change it to Chinese or others. Yep. Application upgrades, it's already the latest, so you need to do anything. You can also go to the live, and you can check. There is so many live channels from all these countries: China, UK, HK, Taiwan, Malaysia, Japan, Korea, India, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so you can also have replace for these few countries channels. Yeah, Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia, China, and Hong Kong. So there are so many that you can choose. Let's just choose either one. Okay, it will change it immediately, and of course you can go back out again, and you can search for your channels by clicking the voice recognition. You can ask it to change channels for you. So for example, if I go in here, and when I'm watching something, let me ask CCTV. So anything about CCTV will come out. Yeah, that's just so many of them. All right, so you can also change the channels by clicking the numbers, or 100. Yeah, there's 100. Okay, immediately it will change for you. In order to watch the replays, let's say go to Taiwan, and I can choose to watch something from here, and I can choose which day to watch. Okay, you can go back. There you go. So I can just go backwards and watch back what happened earlier. Okay, or even earlier. All right, and I can pause it because it's already recorded. Okay, we will have not one but two PIKIV AI Magic Box to give away. So if you guys are interested in getting any of this for free, you can just participate by commenting. What do you like about this PIKIV AI Magic Box? What is the function that you like most? Okay, so remember to subscribe and like this video and comment, and we'll give you this and announce this by the end of December. All right, end of this year. So you have about 2 months to go. All right, thanks so much for watching and goodbye.